Hello, everyone. My name is Brian, and I'll be talking about why AI in project management. Project management today is incredibly data intensive. We're constantly juggling planning, scheduling, risk management, reporting, and communication. The challenge is that these tasks require significant manual effort. As highlighted here, AI allows us to automate much of this administrative load. It frees project management's managers to focus on leadership rather than formatting documents or chasing down updates. AI also brings predictive capabilities. Instead of reacting to problems when they occur, we can forecast risks and resource needs much earlier. Finally, research from McKinsey shows that AI-driven resource allocation can improve delivery speed by 20 to 30%. That's a major impact on project outcomes. In this presentation, we'll focus specifically on how AI enhances risk management and automated reporting. How AI agents and LLMs power project management. Here, we break down four components driving AI in project management. First, AI agents. These are autonomous programs that execute multi-step tasks by leveraging machine learning and analytics. Second, LLMs. They are deep neural networks trained on massive text corpora. They excel at interpreting and generating human-like text. And third, integration. Agents use LLMs for natural language models, for natural language understanding, and then take action inside project tools. Taken together, these enable applications like scheduling automation, budget tracking, risk monitoring, and generating structured reports. They essentially become an always-on assistance supporting the project team. So core pain points and impact. So when we look at the core pain points in project management, three areas stand out. Risk management is often reactive, and threats are identified during periodic reviews, which means early warnings are easy to miss. Reporting and communication take a huge amount of time. Frequent updates, status meetings, and stakeholder reports, and yet these deliver limited real-time visibility. Scheduling and portfolio management involve complex resource trade-offs across multiple projects, which are difficult to track manually. This is the foundation for AI opportunity. As McKinsey notes, AI-enhanced resource allocation alone can improve delivery speed by 20 to 30%. AI directly targets these gaps by improving risk detection, real-time reporting, and allocation accuracy. AI transforms risk management by turning it from a periodic activity into a continuous, data-driven process. Step one is data collection. Agents pull information from sprint velocity, budgets, security logs, and compliance systems. Step two is analysis. AI normalizes and correlates metrics to identify anomalies more reliably than manual review. Step three is prediction. Forecasting risks such as delays, overruns, or compliance failures based on historical patterns and early indicators. Step four is alerting. When thresholds are breached, agents immediately trigger alerts so teams can respond proactively. And finally, step five is mitigation. AI can recommend actions and escalate decisions through a specialized risk management agent, essentially augmenting the risk manager's capabilities. AI also streamlines reporting workflows end to end. First, AI will gather updates from tools like Trello or Jira. And second, it normalizes data and standardizes it so everything is consistent. And third, AI analyzes updates, flags risks, and uses sentiment analysis to surface concerns early. From there, the system generates clean, stakeholder-ready reports with clear metrics and summaries. AI also supports collaboration, where teams can refine drafts through AI-driven chatbots and feedback loops. Finally, reports and alerts are automatically distributed, and the system tracks engagement and follow-ups. This turns what used to be hours of manual work into an automated, scalable workflow. And if we were running a live demo, we'd start by taking a simple brief, like develop a mobile app for event management. An LLM would expand that into a full project description and task breakdown instantly. Next, we could brainstorm risk indicators like things like cost overruns or unresolved dependencies or schedule slips. We would then discuss how AI agents can track these indicators in real time and trigger alerts automatically. The outcome of this exercise is to help everyone visualize the practical impact AI can have on workflow speed and decision quality. The benefits of AI agents fall into five major categories. Time savings, where automation shifts the manager's focus from admin work to strategic responsibilities. Accuracy and consistency. AI enforces standardized formats and reduces human error. Proactive detection is where predictive analytics identify issues well before they become problems. And clear communication is tailored, timely reporting that improves transparency and stakeholder trust. And finally, portfolio scalability. Organizations can manage data across multiple projects and improve delivery by 20 to 30%, like we mentioned earlier, according to McKinsey. And of course, adopting AI introduces risks we must actively manage. Security threats are significant. 96% of IT professionals consider AI agents a security risk because agents may access unauthorized systems or mishandle sensitive data. Visibility and policy gaps mean that many organizations still lack proper oversight and access controls. LLM risks include bias or inaccurate outputs, which require human review before decisions are acted upon. Oversight needs to emphasize governance frameworks that prevent unintended or harmful behavior. And change management is crucial. Teams need training, updated workflows, and a clear adoption strategy. To use AI responsibly, organizations must address ethical and regulatory considerations. They must keep governance frameworks current with evolving standards, and transparency is key as well. Teams should always disclose when AI influences decisions or generates reports. Strong data protection measures, including encryption and immutable audit trails, are essential. Oversight and controls ensure monitored, secure use of AI systems. And organizations should commit to ongoing evaluation, like regular updates, performance audits, and model monitoring to maintain alignment with ethics. To conclude, AI agents significantly enhance project management by automating risk assessment, reporting, and predictive insights, which enables managers to focus on leadership instead of admin work. Looking ahead, we expect growth in multimodal agents that combine text, audio, and visuals, as well as integration with IoT sensors for real-time risk detection. Generative AI will also enable living dynamic documentation. My recommendation is to experiment with AI tools responsibly by balancing innovation with ethical standards and strong security. Finally, continuous learning is essential. AI capabilities evolve rapidly, and staying informed ensures that we maximize the value while mitigating the risks. Thank you so much.